Continuation of that video. Here's the old spring. Literally snapped in half. Snapped the thing in half. And look how big it is in there. It's from there to there. So it's rock solid now. Just put this back on. Steering wheel's got to go back on. Airbag down there on the floor's got to go back on. The old bearing. And I got to go get my son from school. It's 2 o'clock, so I got to put this on pause. And there she is. 312,000 miles on this joker. I love this truck, dude. I'll never sell it. So, just for kicks, I'll show you guys my tag. Ha 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 ha. I made it myself. Look. It doesn't expire. And fueled by used vegetable oil. Yeah, buddy, let's check that out. It's got 2 tanks. Right there's the, you see that, but that's the purge system there, and an extra tank there. Train horn. Gas filter there that filters the oil, vegetable oil. Back tank holds 44 gallons in it. All vegetable oil. Oh, here's the other part number you guys are going to need. Yep. New tires on the front. Bald ones on the back. I mean bald. Couldn't afford to get all 4. But I love this truck. Goes underwater. Got the 2006 grill, headlights, and mirrors. And the reason for the tag on the back is we have a constitutional right to travel. Unencumbered. Google it. And look this up. Second American Jurisprudence, First Constitutional Law, Section 329, page 1135. All about the right to travel. 49 U.S.C. 3951 J and 2, quote unquote. Moreover, no license or registration is required to exercise the right of way, the liberty of the common way, by any conveyance whatsoever, for travel or leisure purposes. Natural born, de jure, sovereign American national under Title 28 U.S.C. 1746 common law jurisdiction on religious pilgrimage in my temple dwelling house. Non-commercial, not for hire, private use only, rightful use of American easements intact. Indeed.